how to add Samsung Health Daily Activity widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold on the blank spot. Then we go down and tap on Widgets. In here, scroll down, then open up Samsung Health. So right here, tap on Health, and then select a widget that you want to use. So here we got the Daily Activity widget, and there are 4 different sizes. You got the small one, medium one, and the large one. So select a widget size and then drag it and drop it onto your home screen. And that's it. After that, tap anywhere outside the screen to save the changes. After that, tap on the widget to get started. Here, you need to sign into your account. Once you sign in, you then can continue to use your Samsung Health and track your daily activity. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.